Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about for loop in C#.NET. So this is the point about the for loop. The for statement execute a statement or block of statements while a specified boolean expression evaluate to true value. So if the condition is true, then the block of a statement that continue. So if the condition boolean expression that evaluate false value, then that out from the for loop. So here is the basic syntax of for loop. So first is here for, here first part at here initialization, next condition check, and hereafter increment and decrement, and here this is the body of for loop. So this must there can be block of statements here. So this is the one simplest example of for loop. So first add here. So I have taken integer variable I initialized with 1, and here this is the condition I less than 5. So add here 1 less than 5, that is true. So if the condition is true, so add here first is initialize I equal to 1, condition check I less than 5, that means 1 less than 5, condition is true. So if the condition is true, then that coincides. So add here console.writeLine, so this print I value. So I value is 1, so that print. So see at here 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a printing. Now let's check at here. So at here, first is I value, that is initialized to 1, and hereafter control comes to this point. So at here 1 less than 5. So this condition at here true. So if this condition is true, at here that one true. So this go inside and here console.writeLine. So this print the value of I. So I value 1, that print. Now here after that go up, increase the value of I. So I is now here 1 to 2. So 2 value, now here after control comes to this point, 2 less than 5. This is our condition is true. So that coincide console.writeLine. So in the new line that print the value of I. So this time that print 2. Now here after I gonna increase, so I is 3 now. And here after 3 less than 5. So this condition again true. So that coincides. So at here that print the value of I. So I value is 3, that print. Now here after I gonna increase by 1. So I this time 4. Check the condition 4 less than 5. This condition is true. So if the condition is true, then that execute block of statement. So this is the statement console.writeLine. So I value that print. So this time that print 4. Now here after I gonna increase. So I is this time 5. So at here 5 less than 5 condition at here this condition is false. So if the condition is false, so this will not go inside. So here not go inside. So that out from the for loop. So this is the things. Now here after the next point is, so at here you can write I equal to I plus 1. So if you do that, then you get the same output. So it's executing. Now here I'm getting the same output. So that means at here I plus plus I plus plus equal to I plus 1. Okay, or equal to plus plus I. Or equal to at here you can write plus plus I. So let's give this term plus plus I. So plus plus I means that is the pre-increment. Now execute that. So see at here you get the same output 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now here after I initialize this value at here, or you can initialize outside of for loop here. So I initialize this term outside of for loop. Now here close by semicolon. Execute that. So see at here the output 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So I initialize with 1 here. Again comes to this point, so there is nothing. Now that check the condition 1 less than 5, condition is true, that coincide, that print the value of I. And if I going to initialize I value at down, so let's see what happened. So that I getting the error message cannot use local variable. So that means I value must be initialized inside for loop or outside for loop here. So let's give this time at here this point. Now no any error. So the next thing is, so this is the initialization part. You can initialize up, or here you can initialize this point. Now here if you give at here I, and here you can write I equal to 1. Okay, so you get the same output. So at here this time I declare the variable I initialize is at this point. Now here after the next thing is for this one condition check. So by default if you give at your true, so at your condition check that accept at your boolean values true or false. So if the condition is true, so that will continue till infinity. So at your this times I've given I said at your true value. So this always true, then that I start from 1 and that increase by 1. So it's now going to infinity. And if you give at your false, so at your false, now if you execute, so first time that condition is false, so this printing nothing. So only cursor it's a blinking at you, but it will not print anything. So this is about to condition check. Now at a, if I give at a 1, so definitely I will get the error message is cannot implicitly convert into bool. So this means at a that accept only bool value. So let's write at a bool b equal to true. Okay, now if you give at here b, so this time there are no any error. So b is the a variable of bool data types and initialize with true. So that's why it at here this point that accept only true value. So at here our true value that accept, so the value is start from 1 and increase by 1. So it go till infinity. So this is the things. Now here after the next point is, so this time I used at here or increment, or you can use at here decrement operator also. So at here I greater than 1. So 10 greater than 1 condition is true. Now here let's use this time I minus minus. Now let's execute. The value start from 10 and that will decrease. So at here that is the decreasing 10 9 at here. So this is printing in descending order. Now here after let's see one more example. So this time going to print even number. So even number I value start from 1 and there is the condition I less than 100, and here I equal to I plus 2. So I plus 2, the value at here that must be start from 2. So 2 and 2 less than 100 conditions to that print 2. Hereafter that gonna increase by 2. So the first time that print 2. Now hereafter that gonna increase by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 10, 12, 14, it's all even number. Now if you like to print only odd numbers, so you just write at here 1. So here 1, next time increase by 2, so at here 1, so at here printing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like so this is printing at here. So at here you can increase whatever you like. So if you want, then here you can give I equal to I plus 1. So I value is now 1 here, 1 print, hereafter I increase by 5. So 1 plus 5, this print 6. So see at here, first time that print 1, hereafter next that print 6. So 1, 6 and that increase by 5 here. So this is the all important point and important concept about for loop in C#.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.